Hello everyone, welcome to a demonstration of Pooi, the object-oriented interpreter. This is part of a series which would constitute a workshop in which students can understand in depth the model of prototype-based object orientation. I'm going to create just a copy of an object because in the prototype-based model we don't have classes. Everything is an object, and the only way to create new objects is by copying them. So now I'm going to copy an object which is an empty object. I'm going to create the account object. Okay, so we have the account object which is completely empty. It doesn't have anything inside. The trick here is that if you don't have classes, if you can only copy objects, you need a mechanism to create attributes or methods, and this mechanism is the dynamic nature of objects in the prototype-based model. Let's create an attribute here. It is as simple as giving the name and also a value. Since there are no classes, there are not types either. We are used to the class-based model, which is quite intertwined with the type system. In one word, a class is a type. Here, the value gives the type to an attribute, and since the value can change at any moment, this means that the attribute can change of type. In other words, at the same time. But for now we have the attribute balance with value 0, and we need to create two methods. We are going to create the deposit method and also the withdraw method. In deposit, we just need to increment the balance attribute by x. And here in withdraw, we need to decrease the balance by x as well. Alright, so the prototype has been created. We have here the account object. It is an average object, but since we are going to use it to create new objects by copying it, it's called a prototype. That's the reason of behind the name of this model of object orientation. So let's copy it in a Act1 object, and now the Act1 object has the same attributes and methods that account had, because we have just copied it. Let's call deposit here with 5. This means that the balance now is 5. We are not very rich, and let's withdraw, why not, 2. So now the balance is even more miserable. It's a balance of 3. Okay, we can do a deposit, for example, of 1,000, and well, it works. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon.